To send money from Zelle to GCash, you need to follow a few simple steps. First, ensure you have a Zelle account and a GCash account. If you do not have a GCash account, sign up for one by downloading the GCash mobile app and following the registration process. Next, link your bank account or debit card to your Zelle account. This will allow you to fund your transactions. Now, to send money from Zelle to GCash, you will need to use a service that supports international money transfers, such as a third-party money transfer provider. You can use services like Remitly or Zoom to send money from your Zelle link bank account to GCash. To do this, create an account with the money transfer provider and link your Zelle-funded bank account as the funding source. Then, enter the recipient's GCash details, including their name and GCash mobile number. Review the transaction details, including the exchange rate and fees, and confirm the transfer. The recipient will receive the money in their GCash wallet, usually within a few minutes to a few hours, depending on the transfer provider and the time of day. When sending money from Zelle to GCash, be aware of the transfer limits and fees associated with the transaction. Also, ensure that the recipient's GCash account is fully verified to avoid any issues with receiving the funds. By following these steps and using a reputable money transfer provider, you can easily send money from Zelle to GCash.